Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can make a Redmi 11 Pro louder. So at the start we have to open the Play Store, then look for the volume booster app. Choose one of them. I'm always using the volume booster app. Click no thank you 3 times and close the window. Now tap on the OK and the tool is active. If you want to increase the volume booster, just use that little slider to the right. Here you can see the 16 is max. If you want to decrease it and more adjust your units, just choose the place of the slider. Okay, now if you go back, the tool is still active. If you want to turn it off, just open it from the background apps and choose stop service. Click OK, and that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.